I personally have never been attacked by an animal, right? And I want to keep it that way. But I do want to watch people get attacked by animals because it does kind of sound funny to watch. I don't know about you, but that's what we're going to watch. This video was made 3 weeks ago. It's by Roundup and Trend Central. It's a double channel. Animal rampages, but they get increasingly more scary, okay? It's about a 20-minute video. We will be watching it. I hope you enjoy. If you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. If you do enjoy and you want to see what these videos look like unedited, make sure you come down to twitch.tv/3ch0l0l to come say hi and follow me on there. We're live right now. It'd be pretty cool to see you. Come say hi. Say you're from YouTube or whenever, you know what I mean, or you're from TikTok, or you're from Instagram, or I know you IRL. It's the same, all the same stuff, but it'd be really cool. Animal rampages, but they get increasingly more scary. Let's watch it.
These are the craziest animal rampages caught on camera, but they get progressively more scary as the video goes on.
Do they? That's a deer. That deer's inside.
A wild turkey broke into this guy's house.
I would also be recording, I'm not gonna lie, if I seen a turkey in my house. Oh, there goes the turkey in the house. The turkey left? Oh, never mind, it's back. Gobble, gobble. That poor kid. Should have smacked it. You were like right next to the bird. You could have smacked it. So yeah, that's what you get. That dog. Yo, he busted through the entire glass door. Good morning.
Front door vandalized, and this is what they found.
That is a horse. Oh, it didn't break anything. Oh. That is a good advertisement for some glass doors, man. I don't know. It's still not even broke. It broke the wall. It looks like the wall is made out of concrete, but it doesn't matter. It broke the wall before it broke the glass. Look at that. Okay, well that broke it, but that's still kind of insane, right? Huh? I thought they were like... Oh.
They were walking their dog when a black bear chased them back home.
Yo, a subscription with Prime? Thank you, my friend. Thank you, man. I appreciate that a lot. That was a kangaroo. I don't think it... Just know, I appreciated it more than the kangaroo did, okay? So that kangaroo got real mad. Don't subscribe to that kangaroo. Subscribe to me, okay? Let's make sure that I appreciate it. Thank you, man.
Back in 2022,
fucking kangaroo.
A leopard in India was on the loose.
Damn.
This raccoon wasn't too happy to see this girl.
Oh my god. She escaped the raccoon. Are they about to arrest the dogs? What's going on here?
The elk thought that this
they let the
car
dog go
was
free.
a little too close. A farmer was out doing work when a wild tiger suddenly showed up.
Yo, you just broke the whole thing. Do they got insurance for wild animals? Like, is that possible? Like, I wonder if they got insurance for down there. You know what I mean?
Oh, Jesus Christ. You gotta be careful here.
Cool.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Hey, I appreciate it, man. I fuck with this hat heavily. If you look on the side, they have patches, right? Um, oh, death row.
A
You
snake
know.
was waiting
Oh,
outside
I
this
guess we won't
internet
see the full
cafe
video.
for someone to open up.
Oh, that's a snake. Oh, that's a snake. He just drop kick the kid trying to escape the snake? That's so disrespectful, bro. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh, that dog is gonna get stomped on. Okay, no, we're good. Big old moves, bro.
Oh, Jesus. Yeah. Let him come in. Let him come in. Let him come. Let him come. Oh, no, man.
Fuck off, man. Oh.
This paraglider was about to land when he was attacked by some kangaroos. What's up, Skip? Hey,
What's up, Skip?
let's go.
Oh.
No way.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yo, we're watching animal rampages, but they get increasingly more scary. All right, that is terrifying. Stand still. Stand still. What he said? He said to stand still. He just now he's gonna die. It's your fault now. Now they're all stinging everybody. Look at him. Now he's in pain. Oh my goodness. Oh, that poor dude. Are they gonna sting him?
This family had their
I'd be
dogs out when
terrified,
a
bro.
bear came
That's
into their backyard.
holy, dude.
Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. You're okay. Jimmy, you're okay. You're okay. Thankfully, the woman was unharmed. A bull randomly started attacking this car for no reason and ran away.
Hell yeah. Yo, I think it's time we get a new car. I'm not gonna lie. I think that's the cow's car now. It looks like they're on a leash.
Luckily, no one was inside at the time.
Okay, but what about later? Somebody's gonna get in it later. I don't think they can now. It's no, yeah. If you got animals hating on your car, we gotta get a new car, man. Beep beep. After the horse just fucking ran it over. Fuck you. Ah! It just bit his shoe off. Not his water shoe.
A city
Damn,
in
now we gotta
Thailand
go buy
was
another one.
invaded by hundreds of wild monkeys.
Yo, that'd be terrifying, I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh yeah. No animals were harmed, they're just fucking, I guess. This is never mind. Never mind.
Our bulls are very, very angry tonight.
Yeah, they are. Oh! Somebody looked directly into that bull's eyes and he was like, nah. You're dying now. That's exactly what happened. Boop. And now we're underwater. You better make sure to practice how to flip yourself. Okay. Dude, there's this one video that I've seen of this one guy. He just repeatedly flips himself over and over and over and over again. Just in a kayak for what reason? I guess
They
to
heard a
teach
sound
people,
coming
but
from the garage, but didn't know what it was at the time.
this clip is in Monday's video, actually. Believe it or not. Stay tuned. Technically, you've already seen it, or it would have already been out by then, but Monday, new video, tomorrow, technically. So, this would probably be Tuesday's, or Wednesday's video I'm at.
Please give that large sea lion plenty of room. They have bit people.
They have bit people, and they are protected animals. Oh, hell no. Why would you? I mean, yeah. I don't know, man. This is. It's just faster than the rhino, dude. That's so scary, Loki. Look at him. That's just a big ol' no. I think we gotta switch cars again, guys. Yep. Time to switch cars.
This
Now we got
cowboy
elephants
wouldn't
hating
let
on
go
it.
of his dog, so he stepped in to help.
Not again, man.
Let it go, dog.
Oh, weave?
Yeah, the
Come on.
dog's coming.
Oh, you just. What the fuck? You know? Ah! He's just trying to kill everything, bro. What reason? Why are moves so mean?
They were out fishing when a hippo attacked
Bro.
their boat.
Hippo, where? Huh? Where? He had his gun. He was ready, bro. He was ready. Oh. Uh-oh. Oh, my. Now it's on that car, too. Okay. Since it's caught in the crossfire, do you think this car needs to be changed? I mean, besides the fact that it was just destroyed, but do you think you could get the same car, or do you think it just need to be a new one?
A cow escaped a
Smart.
parade in Colorado, but luckily some cowboys were able to capture it without anyone getting harmed.
Now that's a cowboy. Ah! Now we're in the Longhorn Steakhouse. What is going on, bro? I would actually be like... I don't know, it's a free show, low-key. That's pretty cool.
This safari truck had a close encounter with an elephant.
Yo. Oh my gosh. 152. Oh. Bad car again. That's what it is. What? Oh, now it's leaking. Oh no, all the antifreeze is gone now. Yikes.
This guy came across some baby cougars and quickly found out their mom was nearby.
Uh-oh.
No, go away. Go away, please go away. Go away. No. No.
Yeah, that's fucking terrifying, bro.
Yeah, so that just happened. Wow.
Did it? No, I thought it happened like 3 years ago. Yeah. This is crazy, bro.
This guy
What would you do
saved
in
a
this
dog from a
situation?
bear attack. Luckily,
He
no
just got
one was
attacked by a
harmed,
bear.
including the bear.
Damn, he just said that dude was weak. Oh my goodness, bro. Holy. Funny number. Oh my goodness, he just got trampled by that. Bam! Oh my. Bam!
This hunter was out in the woods when a deer came out of nowhere.
Oh, hello. Alright, well, that's the video. I hope you enjoyed. It's kind of... Okay, so I'll point at this one. I hope you enjoyed. I like doing these a lot. I like this channel. I like what I've done so far. I hope I can continue to like what I'm doing. If you enjoyed, let me know. You know what else you want me to see. What else you want to see me do? Planning on doing something later on today. I appreciate that. Yeah, man. Look at what he said, right? Best streamer right here. Give me a chance, man. Watch my videos. Give me a chance. I hope you had a good day. If you did, yeah. If you like this video, like the video. Tell me what you want to see. Share the video. Send this video specifically to the oldest person that you know. No reason. Just send it to him. Bye.
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!